Anything can happen on the road, and sometimes one can be accused of doing something they honestly did not do. In case of any incidences such as road rage, accidents, reckless driving, etc., one will need tangible proof that something really did happen. Shopping for a dash cam to fit in your truck can be quite a time-consuming task, which can be very overwhelming. Fortunately enough for you, we have gathered the 5 best dash cam for truckers. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best dash cam for trucker. So let's get started. Number 5. Vantrue N2 Pro Uber Dual Dash Cam. When consumer is high on budget and willing to spend more on a dash cam, Vantrue N2 Pro is the wise choice ever because it is a best value dash cam with certain qualities. One of the prominent features of this dash cam is that it comes with motion sensors. In addition to that, the attachment process of this dash cam is very easy because it comes with a suction mount. It also saves time. Vantrue N2 Pro is a front and rear facing dash cam which provides high quality videos. Vantrue N2 Pro is capable of providing full HD video on both front and interior facing cameras. Moreover, when used alone, the front camera can record at 2560x 1440p at 30 frames per second or 1920x 1080p at 60 frames per second. The rear camera has an amazing wide angle of 140-degree Sony sensor camera which records perfectly if attached to the right place in the vehicle. The rear-facing camera also comes with 4 IR LED lights which are beneficial for nighttime recording. The infrared lights turn on automatically where necessary. We must be considered right if we say that it is the best night vision dash cam. Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance. Number 4. OldShark 1080p Dash Cam. When it comes to think about affordable and best high-definition dash cam, OldShark is one of the best choice as it has so many features in such an amazing and affordable rate. OldShark secures 2 super qualities which are parking mode and a wide angle of 170 degree. Moreover, it comes with a super large LCD screen of 3 inches and the dimension is 3.4 x 1.2 x 2 inches. However, it comes with an average wide angle, but still one can spend money on it because it is a best low-cost dash cam. A USB charger along with a cable is also included. The cable is neither so large to become tangled nor so small to create interruptions while plugged in. It is a battery-operated dash cam. Despite of being a cheap dash cam, the quality of videos and photos has not been compromised neither in daytime nor in the nighttime. OldShark Dash Cam comes with a 6-layered glass lens and is capable of capturing full HD videos of 1080p resolution. It is one of the top backup camera system for commercial trucks. Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance. Number 3. Anker Roav C1 Pro Dash Cam. For an amazingly best dash cam for the money, Anker Roav C1 Dash Cam is one of the best choice for dash cam users. It provides some extremely amazing features in such a reasonable price. It is super easy to install and use. Nevertheless, this camera can be placed to the windscreen by using an adhesive which is a bit tough to remove. So, it is necessary to finalize the spot while placing it to avoid inconvenience. Once the camera is installed, the angle of the camera could be easily adjusted as per the required angle. Anker Roav Dash Cam is a best automobile dash camera, which has a quite nice size 2.4-inch display screen below which there are 4 buttons named as left and right navigation, menu and home button. It is a very lightweight dash cam weighing 0.2 ounces. Its dimensions are 2.8 x 2.4 x 1.5 inches, HWD. Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance. Number 2. KDLINKS 100. When it comes to have a reasonable, easy-to-use dash cam, as well as a user-friendly dash cam, KDLINKS 100 dashboard camera would be the smartest choice. It is a high-quality camera which can capture super-quality day visions as well as excellent quality night visions. It is very easy to set up and use. This is a very lightweight camera weighing only 2.24 ounces. Its dimension is 12.5 x 3 x 0.5 inches. Moreover, the charging port also allows you to convert the photos and videos to PC. The camera can also be used as a webcam when attached to PC. Seems like there are so many nice options in such an economic price, which makes this a best budget dash cam for semi-trucks. It contains a smart, tiny 6-glass lens to capture big things as well as tiny details. This dash cam proved as a best video quality dash cam, as it provides full HD video 1920*1080 with an outclass wide angle of 280 degrees. This camera includes WDR technology. Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance. Number 1. Rexing V1 Dash Camera. Rexing V1 Dash Camera is one of the good top-rated dash cams with the basic front view camera, which is a very nice option for daytime pictures and videos, and an average type of night captures. It is a best dash cam for hot weather with quite a reasonable sized camera, which is easy to set up and easy to use. It weighs only 11.2 ounces. It has a 2.4 inches large display with the overall length of approximate 14 inches. It has a wide design, neither too big to interrupt other things nor too small to be visible. It is very handy to capture big and normal-sized things. However, it does not have the ability to capture small, tiny things. It has a discrete design which includes a 6-layered glass lens. Its recording lens is movable up to the desired height, which is very good to capture the scenes which are missed so that one can view them anytime in future. Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance. That was our list of the top 5 best dash cam for trucker just for you.